Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 29th, getting close to the end of the month here on a Tuesday, and taking a look at the markets real quick. You can see the SPY, just a lot of back and forth action, still below its key moving averages of the 50 and the 20. 20 now is downward sloping, kind of pinch, really in no man's land. We really need to close back above these two averages. We'll see if that can happen over the next couple of days, but it's pretty messy out there. But let's take a look at some stocks that I'm liking. This was on the list yesterday. Lee, I'm still liking this setup. I've been mentioning it for a few days there. Really great support right at that 50. You can see that held. Now it's above the 10-period moving average. Let's see if it can take out this 5-day high right there in LI. Another one is Yeti. Okay, Yeti had earnings back a couple of weeks ago and has been holding this 10-period moving average until it breaks and closes below that. This is very bullish. We'll see what happens, but like a lot of stocks right now, they seem to really slop around and not go anywhere, but keep an eye on that Yeti. Let's see, KD is on my list today. Okay, KD, and what I'm liking here is another earnings play that shot up for several days and is moving sideways. Got a little sloppy around the 10, but kind of popped up yesterday. So keep an eye on that one above yesterday's high. Let's see, one more here, I believe, and that is ALSN. ALSN has been really going sideways for about a month and a half. So you can see that level there, the 60 level, maybe put you something a little bit lower so you can maybe get a head start, see if there's any volume there. But that's it for today. I'm doing a lot of sway trading where I'm taking profits really quick, but I'll explain that in another video at some point. Have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.